Hi guys, how to download NordVPN for free premium account. NordVPN download link in description. Open NordVPN main website to see this all prices for VPN. NordVPN download link in description. Please click here to this download. Save this file for location. Select and save. Wait for downloading complete. Download complete. Open a file setup and run it. NordVPN downloading for completely as for waiting. Please wait the complete download NordVPN. Downloading complete. NordVPN. Open VPN for automatically. Click to install button. Installation complete. Link in description. Download for NordVPN serial keys and premium account. Click here to download button. Download key file extract here. Open this notepad file. All accounts officer for working. Click to any one email copy. Paste the email and copy password. Paste this password and click signing. VPN premium account for login successfully. Use VPN. Click here to any one country, but open this Chrome browser. Type his Google IP. My IP is international. For totally change, click for other any one country. Successfully connection, but refresh this page. Change IP. Click to set up this account for sign out and use another account. Click here to another email copy and paste here, and password copy, paste here, click signing. Welcome. Click here to second account premium login. Click here to use VPN. Connection successfully connected. Click here to refresh page. Change this IP. Click here to any one country name. Pakistan country name. His connection VPN is not available. Click for South Korea. South Korea VPN connection is connected successfully. Click here to open this YouTube channel. YouTube channel is language for totally unchanged. All premium account for real office working. Tell me something about for video. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.